Are you looking for the best cameras for photography? In this video we will look at some of the best cameras for photography on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Komery 64MP Digital SLR Camera. Resolution 64MP, 9200 by 6900, 32MP, 6480 by 4860, 16MP, 4608 by 3456, 8MP, 3264 by 2448. This setting is not supported in continuous shooting mode. Light sensitivity, automatic, ISO 100, ISO 200, ISO 400, ISO 800, ISO 1600, ISO 3200. This setting is not supported in scene mode, continuous shooting mode, filter mode, or intelligent scene mode. Image quality, ultra clear, clear, and standard. This setting is not supported in filter mode. White balance, automatic, daylight, cloudy, tungsten filament lamp, fluorescent lamp. This setting is not supported in scene mode, continuous shooting mode, filter mode, or intelligent scene mode. Delayed photography, with delayed recording function. There are 4 options available: off, 1 second, 3 seconds, and 5 seconds. Number 2. G-Anica Digital Camera. The digital camera featuring 4K video and 48MP photo resolution. And this vlogging camera for YouTube has a 180-degree rotatable 3 inches, so you can see what's being recorded or framing pictures while you're blogging. You can take photos and record videos from any angle, making self-blogging easier. The 4K camera is equipped with a professional detachable 52mm wide-angle lens and macro lens, which is very suitable for close-up shooting of large scenes and small objects. The wide-angle lens can expand the angle of view to 120 degrees to provide a wider range of views. With the macro lens, you can take close-up photos with clear details such as flowers. The vlogging camera can be connected to the PC via a USB cable. Then you can choose mass storage mode to transfer files to your computer, or choose PC camera to use it as a PC camera to enjoy video chat or live broadcast. If you want to play the video you shoot, the digital camera supports HDMI function. You can use HDMI cable to directly connect to HD TV. Number 3. Nikon D5200 DSLR Camera. The Nikon D5200 DSLR camera features a 24.1MP DX format CMOS sensor and XP3 image processor to produce high-quality imagery while delivering fast performance to all camera functions. The combination of these two technologies is a native sensitivity up to ISO 6400, which is then further expandable to ISO 25600. The processing speed of the XP3 also contributes to a fast continuous shooting rate of 5 fps. 24MP DX format CMOS sensor, 39.9 cross-type, dynamic area of system with 3D tracking, up to 5 frames per second continuous shooting, 1080p 30 fps HD video, 1080p 60i, with full-time contrast detective, ISO 1006400, expandable to 25600 equivalent. 3-inch vari-angle LCD with 921,000 dots. Number 4. Renear 4K HD Video Camera. 4.0-inch Touch HD screen. 4K 60 fps video recording and 64MP photo photography. Built-in fill light, HDMI, 3.5 microphone, Type-C charging interface. Live streaming function. With merely a piece of USB cable, the camera can be connected to your PC, and used as YouTube Facebook live stream webcam. No capture card is needed. Recording while charging, the camera can be powered and charged by power bank while recording. Pause function. Long videos recorded will be saved on the memory card in segments. Clear HDMI output. The TV source should be adjusted to HD mode. 16x zoom/time-lapse/slow motion/loop photography, autofocus, continuous shoot, timing photo, off/3s/5s/10s/20s with hot shoe for external microphone, fill light, flashlight with universal screw hole for tripod at the bottom. Number 5. G-Anica digital camera. This digital camera equipped with a 64 megapixel sensor, ensures stunning picture quality in remarkable detail. Capture all your unforgettable moments effortlessly with its maximum 4K/30 fps, MP4, video resolution. The combination of 10x optical zoom and 4x digital zoom can achieve a 40x magnification effect, providing users with a wider shooting angle. Even when shooting the moon, it will not be blurry. From charming distant scenery to intricate macro details, it meets diverse shooting needs and presents a more diverse and colorful creative space. The optical zoom camera offers a wide range of features waiting to be unlocked, including continuous shooting, slow motion, time-lapse, beauty mode, scene mode and more. With a full range of functions, it can satisfy your diverse needs for video shooting, and cameras for photography. With Wi-Fi support, photo and video transfer becomes more convenient. Additionally, the camera is equipped with HDMI output. Users can easily share exciting moments, showcasing images on larger screens for a higher quality viewing experience.